If you ever had Korean barbecue before, you might have easily found the sesame oil, salt together like this. If you mix it up, super nice dipping. I came up with an idea. If you throw the meat in the sesame oil and cook very slowly with a low temperature, so we're gonna do confit with sesame oil that no one has ever done before. The reason why I chose the flat iron is because it's not too lean and not too fatty, somewhere in between. You can make confit with any kind of oil that you prefer. Sesame oil is my favorite thing in Korean cuisine. Am I just gonna eat the steak in the end? No, we're gonna do some experiment. So normal steak versus sesame oil confit steak. Which tastes better? Then the chamgirum sesame oil. Look at that. You know what degree I'm gonna keep this oil? 60 Celsius degree. Rosemary, peppercorns. Can you feel that sesame flavor from there? So aromatic. See, 60, 61. I wish I had a sous vide machine at home. If you don't have one like me, this is the only way you could do it at home. The temperature of the middle of the steak, 54 Celsius degree. My body has to be here. You stay here, make me not bored. Taking out some of the bay leaves. So now it's 47. I just took them out and I couldn't film it because I didn't expect that this is gonna cook very quickly. I mean, 45 minutes is not short, but quicker than I thought. So now, I don't know if you could see it, it's saying 54 Celsius degree. We're gonna wipe the moist off. I don't know if I can make it super dry, but it's now pretty dry. I'm doing the normal steak. Rosemary, butter, $38, 53, 54, it's done. All right, so I'm gonna take it out, do some resting. We're gonna do very quick searing to get the maya and the crisp. We literally already cooked the steak. So we just sear 1, 2, 3, 4 and go. Confit oil the steak before. Look at that crust. Take this out. But this is normal pan fried. The confit. Look at the color. I'm not a steak expert. If you think this is not cooked, please let me know so that I can improve myself better. So one on the left hand side, the confit. Right hand side is the pan frying steak. Which one will be better? Salt. This is sesame oil confit. I personally thought 45 minutes is never enough for the meat to gain the sesame oil flavor. I mean, it could be longer, but this is just so right. What? Okay. I really wanted to be like super frank and honest with you that if the normal pan frying tastes better, I will say so, but let me try it again. It is a great steak and I'll do so if I don't have enough time. But this wow. And the meat that I used today is not even like fancy marbled meat. It was just typical, very humble, flat iron or top plate. Didn't even have that much marbling that Korean people love. I'm not even having any sauce. It's just so good itself. Babe, I made this steak. One with just pan frying. Not bad, it's good. But you got the better one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10 pieces left. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The result tells who's better. They are fantastic, but I need kimchi.
다리 왜?
나도 먹을 거야.
안 먹을 것처럼. 이야.
무슨 맛이 느껴지는지.
올리브?
올리브?